Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aini Sofia binti Abdul Muttalib. Today I would like to present my part section A for like 5 part 1 3-phase synchronous generator. This part we have to measure and measure resistance RA of Y connector stator winding. For this part we use 3-phase synchronous machine and put all this value into this 3-phase synchronous machine. The value already provided. Then we use the DC current and DC voltage. For the simulation control, we set time step 0.0005 and for the total time we set 5 seconds. For the DC voltage, we set 5 volt, 10 volt, 15 volt, 20 volt and 25 volt. So this is the graph for the 5 volt DC voltage. It has low operating at the starting and higher DC current achieved quickly. So this is the value of the simulation. As you know, when the value of DC voltage increase, the value of DC current also increase. To find the value of DC resistance, we have to divide the value of DC voltage with the DC current. And to find the RA, we have to divide DC resistance with 2. For the average resistance, we have to add all these armature resistance and divide by 5 because it has 5 various DC voltage source. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Hayuni. Today I want to show you for lab module 5 for part B. At first, we must draw the circuit like this and then we change the VF voltage to 120 volts. And then for VF voltage, we must set followed by this DC field voltage from 10 to 100. And then for R value, we must set to 2.35 ohms and then we must simulate the circuit using run PSIM simulation button and then we run the circuit and after 3 minutes the properties will be appear like this. And then at first we need to take the DC field current IF. Okay, we take IF waveform. We take IF waveform and then click OK and then this waveform will be appear and then we just click the global max button. Click this average button and RMS button. Okay, and then we must copy this value, average value and put in the Excel. Okay, put one by one but according to the VF voltage and then we need to take the VPH values. Just click this and double click and change at the properties. We take VPH voltage and add, then click OK. And then this waveform will be appeared. We just take this reading and put in the Excel back like this. Okay. Then repeat the same step to get the other values for DC field current IF and phase voltage VPH. The question also asks students to find the waveform of the DC field current IF and the phase voltage VPH for the DC field voltage, and we must set VF to 10 volt and the time of 4 to 5 seconds. We just adjust at the waveform and click X-axis and we just need to take the 4 to 5 seconds and then click OK. And then after that, we must take this VPH waveform and put in the answer script. For IF, we just double click at this waveform and click IF. Click add, okay, and then this waveform will be appear. We just take this waveform and put in the answer script. After that, the question need a student to plot the open circuit characteristic OCC of the three-phase synchronous generator like figure 5.3 below. This open circuit characteristic we draw using the Excel. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shamimi binti Abdul Latif. I will continue my part, which is section C for our lab 5, which is three-phase synchronous generator. For my part, which is the section C, the short circuit characteristic and equivalent circuit. Firstly, we will construct this circuit and we set the parameter of DC motor like this, and the simulation control 5 power of -3, and we set the voltage 120 volt, and we set the synchronous machine, and the result, the waveform will be like this for range 3.9 from 3.9 to 5. This result for IL, and then for VPH the result will be like this. The waveform for range 4.5 from 4.5 to 5, the result will be like this, and the answer will be like this. In the lab sheet, we'll take this answer. That's all from me. Thank you.